So today we're gonna start a new lesson. It is called linking pages. It is lesson 17 on code.org. Please follow along with me. Now, when you guys open the page, lesson 17, it has 8 tasks. Primarily, task 5 and 8 has multiple practices. You need to do all of them. When I grade your assignment, I check every single of them. So please do not just go mark it done, finished, and turn the circle green. It doesn't work like that. Okay. Now, task number 1. On the task number 1, it says making a multiple page site. Website should include more than one page. So up to this point, we've been doing only one page. Now we're adding more pages, guys. How can I know there are many pages here? Who wants to help me? So how I know? What is the indicator there are multiple pages? Yeah. Exactly. Thank you, Gogik. So by the files which an extension .html that indicate it's a page. So page number 1, this is home page. Index is mainly home page. This is another page called facts. There's another page called need. And then there's another page called remedies. And then how many CSS files I have here? Only one. I can tell it from .css. How many images do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, question is, do I have to have only one CSS file? You can have, thank you, Better, extra credit. You don't have to use the same CSS. You can have a dedicated CSS file for every single page because that page will be primarily communicating with that, or you can have one CSS for all pages. In this case, there's only one for all, which doesn't have to be like that, okay? Now, I'm gonna read the instructions. So, use the inspector tool to see the code that creates hyperlink. Now, what is a hyperlink? It's a text which has a blue underlined, a line which is underlined with blue color. So apparently, how many hyperlinks I have here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sometimes it's hard to say, but I can see clearly because of the spaces in between, okay? Now, when you click on home, it's going to take you to home. When you click on fun facts, it's going to take you to the page called fun facts. You see fun facts. They should have changed the color. And then you click on, what does it say? Why do we need them? It's going to be another page, which is named Why Mosquitoes. And also last page is Bite Remedies. Okay? So 4 different pages. You can also go in between pages from here. Now, using the inspector tool, let's inspect what kind of code they used for links. Here, click on the inspector tool, pointing at the home page. If you guys look here, it's highlighted. So it says A, like open the A tag. This is open A tag. And then this is another closed A tag. And then there's something in between says home. And then there is a, what is it called, guys? Anything that goes inside a tag. What do we call it? It's called parameter, right? Or we can say property. Right? So this is a parameter. So parameter, it's href, like where am I taking it when I click on it? All right. So if you look closely, let me pause it here, guys. Let me give you a little more details. Pause. All right. Okay. So we tested that. Now, discuss with the partner how you think that code works. So I just explained it. Again, this is the name of the link, and this is where it's going to take us. And the main tag for link is what tag? A tag. So A is a tag for linking. Does it make sense? Okay. Now let's go to the page, task number 2. So this is like a sort of just exploration. You're exploring how things work, right? I'm going to click on finish. And then I usually don't check your exploration pages because there's nothing to grade. I usually look at the tasks which there's something to grade. Now, let's look at the second and then do it together. So This page is almost working, but one of the pages is not linked. So I'm going to try to understand it. So here, look, I'm going to click on Golden Bridge. It takes me there, right? I'm going to click on Go Back. It takes me back. Click on London Tower Bridge. Takes me there. Click on Go Back. Takes me back. I'm going to click on Golden Bridge. Takes me there. I'm going to do this. Takes me back. So look at the working links and see how they work. Okay, add code that will link from index page to Charles Bridge page. Oh, there's a missing page. So how many pages are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. But apparently, I'm only able to go in between 1, 2, 3, and 4 pages. I need to add another link here. So we're missing Charles Bridge, right? There's nothing on Charles Bridge here. So how are we going to do that? You're going to click on index, guys. Index is your main page, home page. Now on the home page, let me look here. As you can see, I have 3 different links listed in the middle of the page. Here, link number 1, link number 2, link number 3, and I'm going to add the 4th link. We can start by putting A. And when you guys, here's the beauty of coding these days. When you put the first letter of your attribute, it's actually going to give you the options here. You see? You just need to choose between, and it's going to add your quotation marks. You don't have to type everything. So here, I'm going to use href, right? Click on href. It also gives you options where you want to go when you click on it. So where am I trying to go? Charles Bridge or Charles Bridge JPG? It's the page, right? Click on page and then close it. Right? Now I need to close the link with a \A. And then I'm missing something now. What am I missing? The name of a link. Do you see anything here? No. So we have to name it. What I'm going to name it? Charles Bridge. And it shows up here. Now there's a problem. Why are they side by side? Yes, exactly. So we need to use BR to add a line, right? So here, I added at the end of Gold Bridge, which is here. You can either put it right after or you can put it in the next line. Doesn't matter. BR will add a space in between lines. There you go. Now I have 4 links. Okay, let's test it. You click on Charles Bridge, and it's going to take you to a new bridge. And then there's also should be another link in the Charles Bridge to take you back to homepage, right? Because look, I want to go to index. So you see, I have a link to Golden Gate Bridge, but also a link takes me back. Does it make sense? I go to another one, and then it has a link to take me go back. But on the last one, I'm missing go back link. So don't you think we should add one? How do I add it? You're going to go to that particular page. All right. What is that page? Charles Bridge, right here. So where do you want to add that go back? Is it going to be above the image or under the image? What do you think? It doesn't really matter, right? Tell me where to put it, Gagik. Under bridge, under image or above the image? The go back link. You want to put it here?
Yeah.
Above the image. Okay, if it's above the image, I need to add it right before the image. You see this image tag? Add a space and then add it. So open the tag, pick the A, space, the attribute H, ref, use it. Where am I going? Where am I taking you? By clicking on go back.
Oh.
Yes, Shayla. Where am I supposed to go when I click on go back? I'm explaining to you right now.
Oh.
Homepage. Thank you. $20 to you. Okay. So homepage. Homepage is index. Then I'm going to name my link what? What am I going to name it? go back, go to home page, whatever. All right, I forgot to close the tag. Now go back to home page. It is too long, but just for the sake of first day, I'm gonna name it long. And then now I need to close the A tag because we know we always open a tag and then we close it. What's the difference between opening and closing tag? The backslash. So we're gonna again open a tag, use backslash A, and then close it. Well, you look here, you're gonna have it. Now, it did not appear before image. How can I fix it, Kylie? How can I fix the fact that go back to home page should appear above the image? Yes, Kylie. What is your opinion on that? Kyron? How can I make this go before? Because I put it before image here. But for some reason, it's not going there. It still looks like it's on the left side of it. So what kind of possible solution I can come up with to make sure that link is above the image? That's definitely, that's one thing, but what's the name of that thing? We're going to use BR. Break the line. You see, if you add a line, it's going to go above the image. Not super important, but just know it. Because all right. So let me pause this. All right. I'm going to click on finish. Please raise your hand if you have a question. Task number 3. Just like images and files, links should have their names, clear names, that help someone understand what page they are linked to. Now, read the code and click on the links to see where they go. So here, this is my main page, right? So this one takes me learn more. Takes me there. As you can see, we also have back home. So it's about roses. And then there's another page called daisies, daisies.html. And again, takes me to the page, information about daisies. And also a link takes me back to home page. And also here, you see, this is like way too long. When you see this kind of pages, there's one impression it leaves me. Was designed very unprofessionally. All right. In fact, if you put a lot of text as the name of a link, it really doesn't look that good. And then when you use it in your portfolio, unlikely they're gonna like it. Okay. Okay, now what do we fix here? Read the code, click on the links to see what they do, and then now change the names of the links to make it clear where they will be taking you. So I'm gonna go to index, all right? So what do you think about the name of this link? Learn more. I mean, it could be short, but if you want to change it, what would it be if you want to change it? Okay. Yeah, we can change it to, let's find it first. So here's the link. Where are the links? Okay, let's use inspector. Point at it. There we go. So inspector helps me to spot it here. Oops, I'm not supposed to click on it. Okay, here. So it is on line 11. All right, line 11. So you see learn more. You can say learn more maybe about roses, right? About roses. Roses. And then refresh it and learn more about roses. Okay? What about this one? Daisy.html. Should I include HTML name? No, let's change it. So I'm gonna use inspector tool, point at this link. It is, wait a minute. Here, and then this one is on line 15. Daisy. We can just name it to daisies, maybe. Daisies. All right, there we go. And also this one, So I named this, learn more about roses. You know what? Let's make it roses. That's too long. Learn about roses. Just because it's obvious it's a link. I know it from the color. It's a blue. So mainly when something is blue, we automatically know it's a link in most cases, unless they hid it. Okay, sometimes image can be linked too. You click on that image, it still take you somewhere. Okay, now the last link I want to rename is please click on my link to learn more about sunflowers because you for sure will not regret. Okay, too long. What should we do it? Sunflowers, right? So let's spot it. It is on line 19. We're going to erase this whole sentence and just put sunflowers. And there you go. It's been changed to a shorter link name. All right. And so that was task 3. So we just did it. Task 4, naming new pages. Now in here, guys, this is important, but look, this is very important. You will need to follow the name rules for naming HTML pages that you did for naming images. This page has some problems caused by poorly named HTML files. Now look, I'm clicking on the, what is the link? Scotcher's recipe. Koshiro's recipe. It's not taking me there. You see? Why? Or we click on how to juggle. It's not taking me there. Fun facts about candy. It takes me there. All right. So I wonder why. Let's go and look into the index. Look at the all page names. I'm going to put them side by side. Now pay attention on the names. First one, how to make Scotcheroos. Okay. All right. So how to make that? You see, it's not spelled correctly. This is uppercase. This is lowercase. So we're going to fix that. What you can do is, guys, this is what I suggest. Just copy the name here. Okay. And then just rename it here. Click rename. Add that. I think I forgot to copy HTML extension. And then it should be fixed now. Now let's go and check. Click on this link. All right, let me see. Do we have that page? Oh, I think I made a mistake renaming it. So how to make... Oh, there are 2 HTMLs. When you rename it, automatically adds an HTML. Okay, so you don't have to add HTML. Yeah. I'm going to delete this. All right, that's the mistake I made. Now it should work fine. So I'm going to click on, go to index page again. All right, click on this link. It should take me to that page here. There you go. It works. Okay. Now do the same thing for other 2 page names. So it's c.html, new3.html. All right. I'm going to give you a few minutes. Try to fix it. Okay. Now, so it's been added. Now this page is called new-3. If you look at the link here, the name doesn't match. It's missing a dash. Lila, we're adding a dash. And it should work now. The problem here is when I go on a first page, it takes me there, but there is no link to take me back to home. I'm supposed to add it. All right. How do you add it? You can just add it here, right before. I would say right before the heading. Okay, here. So I'm gonna add a. I'm going to put href, and I'm going to link it back to home page, right? Index is the home page. Close the tag, name it home page, and then close the tag. Again, \a. So you see I have a home page now. So I'm going to go back here, click on how to juggle. It takes you there. And how fun facts about candy, it takes you there. So we fixed all the links by making sure the names of the pages matches the names of the pages inside the links. I repeat again. We fix the problem by making sure the names of the files here match the names of the files inside the links. Because I'm telling the link, take me there. If you don't spell it right, it's not going to take you where you want to go. Does it make sense? All right, I'm clicking on finish. I'm going to go to task number 5 and just complete. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do all of it since I promised. We're going to do all of it now. All right, we have like 10 minutes. So let's get to work. No. Today we stop at 5. We complete 5 and then we stop it. Tomorrow we're going to do 6 to 8. Today only up to do what I'm explaining. If you've been doing it along with me, you literally done. Okay, I am on the 5 right now. So choose from the following activities, but I don't want you to choose. I want you guys to do it all. Now, navigation bar, sorry. So most websites use navigation bars to help you find your way around the site. They should be the same for every page. Now, look guys, index page has a, does it have a navigation bar? So it has unicycle, bicycle, and tricycle. Does it work? Yes. You see, all pages should have it. So how can I make sure every single page has this bar? Very simple. You know what you're going to do? You go to index page, highlight lines 6 through 8. Highlight lines 6 through 8. Copy it. All right. Copy it. Shortcut doesn't work, guys. Use your 2 finger touches on the mouse pad. Get to this menu, click on copy. Unless you want to rewrite it one by one, which is going to take you another 7 minutes. Then you're going to go to every single page and just paste it under the, or was it above? Yes, under the bicycle. Under the headings. So here, heading is all the lists. So go to bicycle first. Right under the bicycle, H1 closing tag. Right under line 8, paste it. Right click, paste. You see you have it. Go to tricycle page. Right under the heading, which is tricycle, paste it. Go to unicycle. Right under the heading, which is unicycle here, paste it. Now you see all pages have it. Look, I'm going to unicycle, this cycle, that one. But the problem, is it the same? But the problem here is, guys, I don't have a link to homepage from other 3. Should I add it to? Yes. So let's go to every single page besides homepage and just add one more page. Okay, type href. Href, yeah, index.
But you're on bicycle.
Yes, but I should be able to go to homepage, which is index, right? You can name it homepage. Close A tag. And then you see I have the force. So you just need to copy paste it. Copy paste it to every single page again. Additional link. Highlight it. Copy this. Go to every single page besides homepage because it is already homepage. Every single page and just add it as a force link. Control V. Go to last page. Add it to the last link. Now, no matter where you go, you have access to all pages and also homepage. Homepage, unicycle, tricycle, bicycle, and again homepage. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Broken hyperlinks. Now, here, name of the hyperlinks are working on any of the pages for the site. Can you please debug the code to fix them all? Now, look at the page, guys. I'm on a home page, right? So you see this links. They are the links, but they don't work. They don't look like a link. So we have to fix them. Now, tell me, guys, what is wrong here on this line? So href should be followed by equal sign, not the colon, right? So we have to replace it with equal sign here. What else?
That's it.
Okay, I also need to make those link too. So what about those? Why they're not a link? Purpose. Let's look at the name of the page.
Misspelled.
HTML. Oh, here, missing the name of the attribute has been misspelled. So href. Okay, what about this one?
Also.
Same href, right? Href. And then this one also H missing R. If you fix all of them, which is meaning debugging, you're gonna have them all turn into links, as you can see here. All right? Questions? No, it's supposed to be like that. I think well, no, guys. I think we still need to fix a few more things. So this one take me to purpose HTML. Let me see purpose HTML, correct? Personalities HTML. It is correct. And then this one is visual, and then this one is visual. So why it doesn't take me to that link?
Oh, what a visual. Because you're already at.
Yeah, it takes me there. It works. So I have to fix the same thing for all pages, guys. So what is the easiest way to do that? What's the easiest? What is it called, guys, again? What is it called? Navigation bar, right? You can just copy it and then just replace all pages with it, like add it to all pages. So copy all four links. Copy. Just go to every single page and then just replace it. There. Same here. Just replace it. Same here. Okay, now let's test it. Homepage, purpose and history, personalities, and then visual differences. What is it? Any questions?